Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change your age on a Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. In the Profile Info section, click on Edit Profile Info link. Make the necessary changes. Click Save to apply the changes. As you can see, the changes has been applied. This is how you can change your age on a Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.